Hello Ate Shea and Kuya Noel, happiest birthday and yeah, mga ka-November na to dira. Salamat sa inyong kinabuhi and declaring God will bless you and whatever the desires of your heart, especially right now with your family that you have kanang ang Ginoo gyud panalangin kaninyo, mga protect kaninyo, mga guide kaninyo. Thank you for your life. You've been a blessing to me and to the SNF family. Happiest birthday and see you very soon.